Hi ladies. Today I'm going to discuss a very common problem in ladies, that is white discharge, why it happens and how to treat it, and what happens if it's not treated. While talking about white discharge, it is a very common disease in ladies, whether unmarried, married, pregnant, or even after menopause. It is a simple problem that can be treated with home remedies, but if left untreated, it can damage your uterus. So you must take care. Often ladies ignore this problem and don't try to cure it. Don't do this because it can lead to serious issues. First, we know what is white discharge. It is of two types: normal white discharge and abnormal white discharge. Normal white discharge happens to every lady at the time of ovulation, that is 15 to 20 days after periods. You ovulate with this white discharge, which is a thin and a non-smelly mucus, which is normal and it's healthy. Now we talk about when it gets abnormal. When this discharge prolongs to 5 to 6 days and starts getting thicker and smelly, and it is of green and blue or brown in color, so this is actually the abnormal discharge, and it is also called leukorrhea, and it sometimes gets thick like cheese flakes. And it also happens when yeast infection occurs due to bacterial infections. So let's know what are the symptoms. As I said, it's a thick discharge like a cream. So you'll feel heavy and fullness in your tummy, and you will not want to eat anything, and you will feel nauseatic. And whenever you touch it, it's a bit like cheesy like discharge, and you can feel it, it's creamy like, and you will feel bloating in your tummy, and very discomfort, especially at nights and while you lie down in your bed. You will also feel tired with a little exertion, or you can feel dizzy, or you may feel like fainting at times. And the most visible, you can see dark circles around your eyes. Well, some ladies may feel extreme weakness and they are unable to do even the normal life chores. Mood swings are must, and pain in the lower back, and you also feel itching and severe irritation in your intimate area, and you also feel swelling while passing urine, and you also feel very much pain and difficulty in while you urinate. Okay, and it also feels like mostly like you feel so much annoyed, and mood swings are a must factor with this discharge when it is abnormal. Well, that was all about the symptoms. Now let's know about the reasons. So the main reason is low hygiene of the intimate area. Whenever you go to washroom, do clean your intimate area. Use cotton panties instead of synthetic ones. Another reason is bacterial infection, that is STD. Well, leukorrhea is actually a disease, and it should be cured. Like, it's not a normal discharge, so it sometimes comes with the diabetes if a person is diabetic. So leukorrhea is a very common thing in that patient, in that person. Anemia and use of oily and spicy foods is also a reason. Hormonal imbalances. So these are the symptoms. Now let's know about the remedies. So the first remedy we are going to talk about is amla, that is the Indian gooseberry. It is rich with vitamin C, and the second one is banana, and you have to eat, all you have to do is to eat this banana with sugar. Third remedy, which is been used since centuries is figs. All you have to do is soak 3 figs in water in night and drink the water and chew the figs in the morning on empty stomach. All these three are very effective remedies. Along this, use a cup of yogurt because it has a very good amount of good bacteria. So do use a cup of yogurt, do eat it religiously daily. You also need to chew some cloves of garlic because garlic is very much good fighting any sort of bacterial or yeast infection. All you have to do is just chew 2 cloves of garlic and also use it in your meals. Well, now let's know how to remove the toxins from your body. For that, chew 2 cardamoms after every meal because that will flush out any sorts of toxins from your body, and it's very much good. Now let's know how to wash your intimate area. Take some leaves, or you say 20 to 25 leaves of neem, and boil it in water, and when it cools down, wash your intimate area with this water. But if you don't find neem, so it's okay. Don't bother to rush and find it. You can use alums, which is also known as pitcurry. You take the powder, 1 spoon powder of this, and boil it, and when it cools down, wash your intimate area with it. You also need to must use cranberry juices, which is also available in a powder form in sachets in all the medical stores. So you must use the cranberry juice, which is also very much good in maintaining your pH level of the body and the intimate area. One very much important tip I want to give you is to stay away from stress. Do keep yourself calm, and do not take any burden or any stress of anything. Do meditate and give yourself a very good time. Think positive. Try to keep away from any sorts of stresses, and because no one is going to keep you happy, and no one is going to help you if you don't help yourself. And this was all about today's video. Stay happy, take very good care of yourself, and do use all these remedies to stay protected and to stay healthy and fit. And do let me know if you like my video, and do comment, do subscribe. Till then, till the other video, I'll say bye bye, and I'll meet you in another video.